Our trader today is Victoria Greene. She's the founding partner and CIO of GSquared Private Wealth and a CNBC contributor. Our first stock today is Walmart, and you say Walmart is going to be better able to navigate these tariffs since it can use its size and scale to help offset the costs. Explain.
Yeah, so I see Walmart as a huge winner regardless, but everybody has some concerns of, oh my gosh, everything they sell in Walmart is made in China. But the fact of the matter is, it's not going to be Walmart likely eating that. It's going to be all their suppliers. Think Pepsi, Procter & Gamble, Kimberly-Clark, Nike, Adidas, anybody that wants to sell to Walmart. Walmart's the biggest retailer in the world, and they're going to say, hey, you need to eat some of that cost. We're not passing it on to our customers. They likely make their suppliers eat the bulk, if any, of tariffs to continue to provide discounting. We saw that work well for them during the inflationary periods of 2021, 2022. So I love this stock here, and if there's going to be a fight, I want the biggest bully in the world, and that's going to be Walmart getting me the best prices for their customers.
All right, and I can hear the PR people right now freaking out about being called a bully, but you make a good point there. What about booze? You've got
bully in a good way.
Yeah, right. Like a bully pulpit.
Yeah.
Like you're the preacher.
Yeah, that's
all right.
Yes.
Constellation Brands, the maker of Corona, Modelo beer, which of course tied heavily to Mexico. Is that a problem?
I think it's a huge problem for them. And I understand some people are arguing, well, this was part of the reason they had to keep the manufacturing there with the distribution deal that they made about a decade ago. But I see this as a massive problem for them. They're 87% of their revenues are beer related, and their beer brands are Corona, Modelo, Victoria, all these Mexican brands. And it's estimated that a 25% tariff is likely going to increase price to 12%. So not only are they facing a potential tariff headwind, very focused on Mexico, but they also are facing declining beer drinking volumes. The only reason that their revenues have gone up is because they're raising their prices, but they're not actually selling a lot higher volume. And specifically, beer business, which is a lot of their volume and most of their revenues, is already a declining business with the younger crowd. So they were facing secular headwinds with beer drinking in general in the United States is going down. Now they might be facing tariffs. For me, I want to sit this stock out. I'm a little worried it's going to hit some new fresh lows and retest lows from 22. So to me, I think I'm worried about it.
Did you say they had a beer named Victoria? Is it named after you?
They do.
Wow.
They do. They named it after me. Absolutely.
You better serve it then. All right, final name is General Motors. There could be big pressure on automakers to build here at home, and the industry is on the hot seat. Victoria, we got about a minute.
Yeah, so for me, this isn't just about the 4 manufacturing plants GM has in there, but it's all the part suppliers that are based in Mexico. So you may see upward pricing in cars, and we've already seen that be very, very difficult. So if we see upward pricing in cars, GM has to raise prices. We're already seeing potentially slowing car sales volume. That's bad for them. Additionally, they got called out by name by the Mexican president, so they may get caught up in this tit for tat. And they are Mexico's largest automaker exporter. They export mostly to the U.S. and Canada, so they are just looking at a whole lot of problems if there's retaliatory tariffs. And it's also people are overlooking how many parts manufacturers are based in Mexico. So even if GM can slightly avoid these tariffs, all of the manufacturing and parts that are coming in likely more expensive.